Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix AliExpress application not working problem. So if your AliExpress application is not working, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be because of the unstable network. So make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. After you do that, your application should start working. But if your application still does not work, there might be some bugs in the application. In that case, you can try updating it. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for AliExpress. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for AliExpress and tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find the option for update. Tap on it. Now wait for a while. Now after a while, you can see over here the AliExpress application has been updated. Now your application should start working. But if your application still does not work, in that case what you can do is try clearing the cache. For that, launch open app library on your device, find the application for AliExpress and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info. Now you'll be led to the app info interface of AliExpress. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find this option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the storage interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find two options: clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option, clear cache. Now cache of the application will be cleared and your application should start working now. But if your application still does not work, try uninstalling the application and install it again. After that, your problem could be solved. But still, if the problem continues, there might be some problem on your device itself. Your device might be facing some temporary software glitches. So in that case, what you can do is simply restart the device. For that, long press on the power button. Now after you do that, tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted and your problem will be fixed. So that is how you fix AliExpress app not working problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.